What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over friend Bitcoin. Nice little push today. Up 4% at 22.9. Well, let's see. Sitting at about 22.7, actually. 22.8. See, market cap of 439. Biggie. 24-hour volume, 28.25 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget, make sure to sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses. This is where I do the majority of my trading, or Bybit up to 30,000 in bonuses. Email me or sign up. Email takes 2 minutes, completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So a couple of scenarios. We already invalidated a potential wave 4. So what we have to look at is we're putting in the wave B, or this was the wave 4 low, and you're going to start to put in the wave 5. Now, you could make the argument for the micro count that this is a wave 1. This is a wave 2. This would be a 3, 4, 5 of a potential wave 1. And you would do something like this. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Just to complete a wave 1 of the larger wave 5. That is a possibility. Personally, I don't think it's the more probable scenario, but anything is possible. That this was a wave 4 low and we pushed up. And now we're pushing up in a wave 5. The second scenario is that we've ABC'd into a wave B. As I mentioned, these micro counts could be inaccurate, but you could be looking at a wave A. This is a wave B pullback, and right now you're going through a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of a wave C to complete the larger wave B, which is a 3-wave move, before seeing continuation down in a wave C and potentially coming down to the 19K range. That's what I think is more likely, that we're pushing up into this resistance, this downsloping trend line from the all-time high. We talked about us coming back up to retest this trend line, which is exactly what we're doing right now at 22.7K. So there is quite a lot of resistance in between about 22.7 to about 23,000 to see a potential rejection. If we were to break that trend line and hold it as support, and potentially you could push higher, break that high, and put in that wave 5 where you did a little something like this: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We'll have to see if we can break that trend line or if we simply get rejected. The DXY has been pushing to the upside. Well, Bitcoin has also been pushing to the upside, which is unusual. Usually the correlation is if the DXY is pushing up, the price of Bitcoin is dropping. So that might be a positive sign, because eventually the DXY will pull back. Once again, I was looking for a potential triple top, but right now we are breaking. Of course, this could retrace. You could still put in that triple top. The next resistance is 104. But if the DXY does a little something like this, where we see some pullback in the short term, that could be positive for BTC as well. So with the Dow Jones still printing a bearish divergence on the 4-hour, just consolidating, we are slowly starting to break out of the downsloping trend line of the descending triangle. So we'll have to see if this is just a fake out, we roll back down into the pattern, or if we can sustain and hold support and start to push back up to about 34.7, which would also be positive for the price of BTC. All right, gang, so we'll see if we get rejected by this zone. A common retracement for a wave B is 50% of wave A. Of course, you can have exaggerated ABC corrections where the wave B overshoots and then you come down into wave C. I don't think that wave count is likely. I think it's either we get rejected in between the 50%, the 61% in a wave B. However, if we do break above the 786, I think it would be more likely that this was indeed a wave 4 and you're looking to push up in the wave 5. We'll have to see how it plays out. Make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. Grab those bonuses up to 30K on Bybit, up to 8K on Bitget. Check out my full-length tutorials. Completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news. The members like to post their profits in here, as you can see. Mahado alt plays, $10 a month. You really can't beat it. Same price as a Netflix subscription. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.